Good day from this side. Yeah, if this is the first time of you seeing me, I'm Godsway by name. So this is my channel. I share what I learn every day actually about programming, Python, the basis of Python. So if you're a beginner in Python, if you're a beginner in programming, uh, if you are somebody that loves technology and you want us to promote it in Nigeria, you can join me. So to go straight to the point, I'm going to install a number. I'm going to install a number in a variable. I'm going to define a variable. Yeah, I'm going to find whether the number is positive or is negative. So whether the integer is either negative or positive. So I'm going to install it now. I will define the variable. Then I will write the program and print it out and run the code. So now I will pick the number and say, let me use the short form of number, say num equal to, let me say -6, Then this is the number now that I have chosen now to use. Let's say num equals to 6. So I'm going to make decision. I'm going to use a conditional statement. The if-else statement now is what I'm going to check, because this is about decision making. Yes, it's about decision making. So I'm going to make decision to know whether this number is either a positive number or a negative number. So now I see if num is greater than 0, if num is greater than 0, print. If num is greater than 0, print. If num is greater than 0, print is a positive number. This number, this -6 now, as I'm going to check, this number can either be negative, it can be positive. If the number is not negative, it's going to be positive. And if the number is not positive, that means the number is 0. Yes. So now I've written the first statement, which say if num is greater than 0, print is a positive number. So the second statement now we say elif num is less than 0. Elif number is less than 0. Print is a negative number. It's a negative number. So this one now is the second option now, second option. So if this number is a positive number, the program is going to run the first statement, which says it's a positive number. If the number is not positive, the program is going to run the second statement, which says elif num is less than 0, print negative number. Print is a negative number. So the third statement now will be else. That means if it is not a positive number, it's a negative number. If it is not a negative number, then the number is 0. I'm going to print the last statement now. And the last statement is else. And this else now will be print the number is 0. The number So this is the code. This is the code. I say num equals to -6. If num is greater than 0, print is a positive number. And if num is less than 0, print is a negative number. Else, print the number is 0. That means if the first statement, if the number is not positive, it's going to be negative. And if the number is not negative, the number will be 0. I will run the program now to see what the result is going to be. So you see now on the console it's a negative number. That means the code now, this program, the number that I check now, that means the number that I check is not a positive number and the number is not 0. Rather, the number is negative number. You see now the program has finished on the console. So this is the end of this one. Very short. Yeah.